Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So, in the previous video we are just going through the chapter number 5, that was acids, bases and salts. Okay students, in that we have just seen about the indicators, natural indicators, chemical indicators and universal indicators. In the universal indicator I have just given a chart in your homework, and there is an activity which is given on the page number 62. Okay students, let us see that first of all. To see the effect of a natural indicator, turmeric powder, alcohol or water, washing soda, water dropper and 2 beakers method. Mix half teaspoon of turmeric haldi powder in half cup of water or in a small beaker. Dissolve a piece of washing soap in water in another beaker. Add few drops of turmeric solution with the help of dropper to the soap solution. Observe what happens. Observation: the soap solution turns red. The soap is a basic substance. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin that gives the turmeric its yellow color. Curcumin reacts with soap, a base, to form a red compound. Okay students, in this activity what you have to do, we have to see in the natural indicator how it works. Okay, so in that you need a turmeric powder, means haldi powder, water or alcohol. In one beaker you have to prepare a turmeric powder solution, and another beaker you have to prepare water or alcoholic solution. Okay students, and next you have to add some drops of that turmeric powder solution in the water or alcohol. You can see that the change of color, it changed to the red color. Now moving towards next, I have given you homework in the page number 63. Let's answer. First of all, writing that answer on the board. Please note down that answer students, or verify if you have written that. So, the question A is fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. With correct words. See here. Now, the first one is dash is a common laboratory reagent. Dash is a common laboratory reagent. In that first one, it will come sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Okay students, sodium hydroxide. Next, second, dash is the main ingredient in the most of detergent. So the main ingredient is second. This is also sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Okay students, moving towards third one. Blue litmus paper turns to dash color in presence of acid. See here, I have told you before that in this you can make a mistake. If red turns to blue, then here B is there than base, and if blue turns to red, then what? Acid. Okay students, you have to just remember this one, and else you will know that. So blue litmus paper turns dash in presence of acid. See here, it is given red, so our answer is red. Okay students, our answer is red. Now moving towards next one, that is fourth one. Dash is a natural indicator. So natural indicator, methyl orange, no, it is a chemical indicator, and turmeric, yes, it is a natural indicator. turmeric. Okay students, this is a natural indicator. Now moving towards next, pH 14 indicates the strongest dash in the chart which I have just given in homework to draw, that in the 1 strongest acid, in 7 neutral, and in the 14 strongest base. Okay students, so our answer is strongest base. Okay students, strongest base. Now moving towards B, that is match the following, but before that you just write down this. I am giving you some time. Okay students, have you noted down this? Now moving towards question B, that is match the following. B, that is match the following. Match the following. Okay students, so in this match the following, see here just writing the answers directly in calcium hydroxide. So how it is just used, okay students, and where it is just used. So calcium hydroxide, that is first, in that it is used in the C, whitewashing. Whitewashing. Okay students, next, that is ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide, it is used in the household cleaning. Household cleaning or cleaner. Okay students, and third one, that is sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is used in soaps and detergents. Soaps and detergent. Soaps and detergent. And moving towards fourth one, that is magnesium hydroxide. And last, the remaining, that is A, that is laxative. Okay students, now please note down your answer and then after we will talk about salts. Okay students. Have you written down the students' answers? And now moving towards our new topic, that is salt. So first of all, what are salts? Okay students, what are salts? First of all, we will see that. See, in your textbook there is a sentence given. I am just writing that on the board. Salts are a group of chemical compounds formed by a reaction of an acid with base. Okay students, salts are are a group of chemical compounds formed by the reaction of an acid with a base. Okay, students. So, what is salt? So, salts are a group of chemical compounds formed by the reaction of an acid with a base. Okay, students. Here there is a equation, chemical equation given: acid plus base, that gives salt plus water or any other compound. Okay, students, acid plus base gives salt plus water. See here that reaction is given equation, reacting equation. See here the chemical reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. So, this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Writing that on the board. The chemical reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Okay, students, this is known as neutralization reaction. Please note down this if you want or underline in your textbook, students. See here that equation I have already written over here. This equation, chemical equation, is known as neutralization reaction. Okay, students, this is neutralization reaction. Okay, students, now what next is different acids on reaction with different bases produces different salt. For example, common salt or table salt is formed by the reaction of hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide. See here, now we will take an example of it. Okay, students. So, the example of acid and base is common salt. Okay, students. Now, let us form a common salt. Okay, students. So, for that what we need is, which two acids are needed? hydrochloric acid. First of all, hydrochloric acid, that is hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, that is hydrochloric acid plus what? Sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Sodium hydroxide. So that gives us a salt. That gives us a salt. Which salt? Our common salt. See here, first of all, at last what we get, that is water. So how the water molecule is there? H2O, that is water. So here 1H, 1O, and from here 1H. So we get the H2 plus O, the remaining we have to write over here. So here it is negative, here it is positive, negative, positive, negative. So what will happen? This both negative, positive just forms a water over here, and now this positive and this negative will form a salt, that is NaCl. Okay students, that will form, that is NaCl, which is known as sodium chloride, which is known as sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Okay students, if you want to write this, then you can write. So this is acid, this is base, that gives us salt plus water. Okay students, we have formed here the salt. How? Hydrochloric acid, that is acid, NaOH, that is sodium chloride, that is base, and we get the salt, that is sodium chloride, that is we get the salt, and another one H2O, that is water. Okay students, so this is our this is an example. Now just reading further, the reaction between vinegar and baking soda, which we learnt in the previous chapter, is also an example of neutralization reaction. And this reaction, vinegar means acetic acid CH3 reacts with baking soda NaHCO3 to produce a salt, water and carbon dioxide. Okay students, salts can be classified into three types. Now just classifying the salt into three types, let us see that students. So salts are further classified into three types. So the first one is acidic salt. Second one is basic salt. And third one, that is neutral salt. Neutral salt. Okay students, so first of all seeing what is acidic salt, then after we will see basic, and then after neutral. Okay students, let us see that. So first of all, what is acidic salt? See here, acidic salt means it forms with strong acid, plus weak base, weak base, that is acidic salt, and another one weak acid plus strong base, that forms basic salt. And how would the neutral salt can be formed? Can anybody tell me, students? See here, when the strong acid reacts with strong base. Okay, students, strong acid react with strong base, or weak acid reacts with weak base. So this is the acidic salt. This acidic salt means strong acid, weak base. Basic salt means weak acid, strong base, and neutral salt, that is strong acid, strong base, or weak acid, weak base. Okay, students. Now see here. Let us see the example over here. So the example of acidic salt, that is HCl plus NH4OH. So this is an acidic salt we will form. So what we will get? Okay, students, what we will get? Can anybody tell me, students? First of all, write down by yourself. But I have just cleared one thing, that at last we will get H2O, that is water. So here is OH means, and here is H. So this one positive H and this two negative OH will form H2O. So this will remain positive, this will remain negative. So we will get NH4Cl. This is the acidic salt. Okay, students, this is the acidic salt. And now just going towards basic salt. If we react weak acid, that is CH3COOH. CH3COOH means the acetic acid will react with NaOH. Then what we will get? First of all, we all know we will get the water. So how we will get the water? CH3, here first of all just writing water, that we have get from here this, and from here this. Okay, students, that have we get the water. Now the last remain is CH3COONA. That is our basic salt. Okay, students, that is our basic salt. Please note down this. And see here, strong acid, strong base, and weak acid, weak base. Let us take an example of it. First of all, strong acid, strong base. So here the strong acid is this and strong base is this. If we react HCl plus NaOH, then what we will get? We will get here from water molecule this both H, and we will get NaCl plus H2O. Okay students, NaCl plus H2O, this is our strong acid, strong base. Now weak acid, weak base. This is weak acid, weak base. For that I am writing over here. So weak acid, weak base. So first of all, weak acid, that is CH3COOH, CH3COOH plus what? NH4OH. Now reacting this, what we will get? Plus water, that is H2O. The remaining thing we have to write. Please write down by yourself now. Okay students, H2O we have get. Now we will get, that is CH3COO, CH3COONH4. Okay students, CH3COONH4, that is ammonium acetate. Okay students, please note down this if you want to write. See here in the acidic salt, HCl means hydrochloric acid, NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide, and NH4Cl. Okay students, and CH3COOH, that is acetic acid, and NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, and we will get sodium chloride. Okay students, and in that way you can just name this. Okay students, have you written down this? And now it's time for your homework. Please write down your today's homework. So, your today's homework is, students, what you have to do? You have to write definitions of salts, neutralization, reaction, acidic, basic, and neutral salt. Okay students, this all the definitions you have to write in your homework. Up till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.